Welcome to Flutter tutorial number 2, where we dive into the project structure of Flutter applications. Understanding the files and folders in a Flutter project is crucial for efficient development, as it helps you work faster and stay organized. In this tutorial, we'll quickly break down each part of the project so you can navigate with confidence. In our previous video, we successfully set up the Flutter development environment by installing essential tools like the Flutter SDK, Android Studio, and VS Code. Now that everything is ready, it's time to take the next step. Today, we'll focus on understanding the Flutter project structure, which forms the foundation every Flutter developer needs to master for smooth and efficient app development. When you create a new Flutter project using Flutter Create My _app, Flutter automatically generates a comprehensive folder structure with all the essential files and directories needed to build cross-platform applications. This structure follows industry best practices and provides everything needed for Android, iOS, web, and desktop development. Each folder has a specific purpose that we'll explore in detail. This diagram illustrates the complete Flutter project hierarchy, giving you a clear overview of how everything is organized. For beginners, the most important parts to focus on are the lib folder, where all your Dart code lives, and the pubspec YAML file, which is used to manage dependencies and assets in your project. Let's break down the key folders in a Flutter project. The lib folder contains your main Dart application code, where you'll spend most of your development time writing widgets, business logic, and app functionality. The Android and iOS folders handle native-specific code and configurations, while the test folder is essential for maintaining code quality and catching bugs early. Understanding essential files is crucial for Flutter development. The pubspec YAML file manages dependencies, assets, fonts, and project metadata. The main Dart file is the entry point of your Flutter application, launching your app and defining the root widget structure. The build folder contains compiled files, automatically generated during builds. The main Dart file is where your Flutter journey truly begins. Every Flutter app starts with the main function, which calls run app, to launch your application. This function creates the root widget and inflates it to fill the screen, giving your app its structure. By default, it also provides the basic material design setup and navigation, making it easier to start building beautiful apps right away. The pubspec YAML file is your control center for adding external packages, fonts, images, and other assets to your Flutter project. External packages extend Flutter's functionality with pre-built solutions for common development needs, while assets like images, fonts, and data files are declared here for use by your app. Focus on the lib folder for your main development work, and make sure to master the pubspec YAML file for managing dependencies and assets. Also, remember that main Dart is always your starting point, the place where your app begins. With this solid understanding of the Flutter project structure, you're now ready to dive deeper into Flutter development with confidence. In our next tutorial, we'll explore Flutter widgets, specifically stateless versus stateful widgets, to understand when to use each type. Don't miss future tutorials, subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our comprehensive Flutter tutorial series. Ready to build amazing mobile apps? Let's continue this Flutter journey together.